Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I have my FabFitFun winter box. So let's take a look at what's inside. If you guys would like to try FabFitFun, I will put a promo code below. I believe you get $15 off your first box. So they are quarterly and you get over $200 value of items in each box. They give you this really nice, it's almost like a little magazine. It lists the products in it. And then it'll kind of go through, like there's recipes in here, for example. Or last time we got a scarf, so there was like a little article on how you could wear scarves, and that was pretty interesting. So I'll show you that at the end. Let's see what we got. Ooh. A soy candle, Blackberry Nectar by DL & Company. Let's take a look at that. I love candles. Ooh. First of all, it smells good. Second of all, very pretty. It's like gold. Very nice little decorative candle. And it is soy, which is a plus. Next we have, it says live, love, and layer. I think this might be a necklace perhaps. Cool. Let's open it up and see what it is. Cute. So here is what the necklace looks like. It is layered, very pretty. I really like this one. And the next thing I'm going to take out, looks like it's a little gold star pen. Each year, more than 30 million children in the U.S. suffer from a critical, chronic, or terminal illness. So this is about Starlight Children's Foundation to raise awareness for it, and you can help by taking pictures and posting on Instagram and tagging them. Next up, Anderson Lilley, Made in America, Coastal Collection, Beach Butter Body Cream, Winter in Manhattan Beach. Let's see. It's sealed. It says that citrus, jasmine, might be a musk smell in there. Let's see. Ooh, that smells really good. I didn't think by that description of the fragrance notes that I would like it, but yes, that's nice. I do like that a lot. And that is a pretty good size lotion that will last a while in the winter. Next up we have Mega Volume Mascara by Butter London. Never have too much mascara. Let's see what the wand looks like. That's what it looks like. It's kind of hard to get in and out of there. And we have Marie May thank you notes, Write with Purpose. Go ahead and open those. So these are some nice little thank you cards. It says cheers on it. That's what it looks like on the back. It's probably about 10 or so of those. We have a few more items. So we have a mineral peel for your face. This is by O.R.G Skincare. Non-abrasive natural exfoliant with brightening agents. You spray an ample amount onto your skin, allowed to absorb, and then using your hand or washcloth, move in circular motions, rinse with warm water, and moisturize. Cool. That's something that's nice to have in the winter. And the last item in the box is this weekly notebook, diary, and planner. This is what the inside of the planner looks like. I like that. It has like the weekly overview and then tons of room for notes. Awesome. And I like that it's small and compact too. Has a map on there. Very nice. So got some very useful items this time in FabFitFun. So like I said, I will leave a promo code below if you guys are interested. You either get $10 or $15 off. I don't really remember, but I will put all that information in the description box below for you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.